Caillou, please do not holding the needle because Caillou's hand hurts or bleeds later. Yeah, please do not do that, Caillou.
Dora and Rosie forbidden because they can't sew. Don't worry, we have introducing with Plotagon Sewing Machine Caillou Edition. Plotagon Sewing Machine Caillou Edition is unlimited. Anti-needle, anti-bleeding, anti-hurting. 2 times larger than irregular needles and sewing machines. This sewing machine can be used to operate with the foot pedal.
Wow, good job, Caillou. Yeah, 2 times larger than irregular needles and sewing machines.
I'm using the Plotagon Sewing Machine Caillou Edition. Anti-needle, anti-bleeding, anti-hurting.
Plotagon Sewing Machine Caillou Edition. This price is $20. Only available on Plotagon Mart. The sewing machine is so fun.
Plotagon Pencil Productions.